Guys, this one feels exceptionally refined, combining everyday comfort with a touch of elegance. The fabric is soft, smooth, and wonderfully lightweight against the skin. Its breathable design helps maintain a comfortable feel throughout the day. The subtle sheer finish adds a modern and sophisticated appearance. Friends, the overall styling feels clean, graceful, and well-balanced. The waistband sits gently and comfortably without creating pressure. It offers a secure fit while still feeling relaxed and natural. The material remains pleasant even during extended wear. Nothing feels restrictive or uncomfortable. The stitching is neat and carefully crafted from edge to edge. Every detail reflects thoughtful workmanship and quality materials. The fabric texture feels silky and premium to the touch. It creates a smooth and polished look under clothing. The fit feels natural and flattering. It adapts comfortably to movement throughout the day. Comfort and flexibility work together perfectly here. The overall construction feels durable and dependable. The material maintains its shape beautifully over time. Friends, that's an important feature for any daily essential. The minimalist styling gives it a timeless and versatile appeal. It looks elegant without relying on